guys are only allowed to have one self credit builder account at a time. But when you guys pay off that account, you can always sign back up for another. I did it before. You just close that account out technically by just paying it off. They send your money back and you can sign right up for another one. And then you know that $9 fee that you guys have to pay to sign up for it? You guys actually get a discount when you sign up again. Now, let's go ahead and search this question here just so that you guys can see. Let's see if they have a different response, just in case, because I don't own the company. How many accounts can I have? It don't look like they have anything else. But they do have this. Can I reopen my self account? This kind of ain't got nothing to do with us. So yeah, you can always apply for a new one with a few exceptions, but there's also a limit to how many new accounts you can open with a certain time period. Oh, since opening new accounts and paying them off quickly shortens the average age of accounts. Oh, so they do have a time period. So you only can have one account at a time, but then they even have a time period um, on how many new accounts you can open within a certain time.